What's this?
Something metal.
Metal. So you did the edit and just after the edit, so there's a double edit for like 5 seconds?
Yes.
Okay. So you learn how to work the camera?
I thought you said shut the camera off.
Close enough. And I said, what is it?
Not sure.
What was this?
Oh, that was a shaft. Maybe that's another shaft.
I think I'm getting shafted.
You got shafted.
It's a different shaft.
Feels like a Monday.
Ooh, this is a nice shaft. This has nothing to do with that. It's a transmission. It's a good shaft here. That is a genuine, brand new NOS, that's new old stock, 45 click here. Otherwise known as a transmission high gear. You know it's brand new, genuine? See how black cosmoline all over everything?
Yeah.
And there's no wear marks?
Wow.
And what's really nice about it, there's no rust marks either. So don't go finger fucking the surfaces there and screw it up.
Okay.
Now there might be a little bit of rust right there. It even has the brand new nut that goes on it too. This was holds your clutch on. The clutch goes right here. Transmission goes here. And the shifting goes on this side. And this is the part that makes it go fast. And these break really easy. You know I know?
Because you've probably broken a
Because I
couple.
break a lot of them. I've gone through lots of these over the years. But you know what happens when you break this one?
Buy another one?
It takes the case with it.
Oh, does it?
Yes.
Oh.
There's no flex in the middle like the other ones are. It just blows the case right apart. So when you pop this one, you pop the whole tranny.
Damn.
Not that I'd ever do that, of course.
Of course.
So we don't want this to rust anymore. So I'm going to put a little go juice on here just to pretend like it's doing something. So this is 19, what year?
I'm not sure.
We'll think of something old.
How about 41?
No,
Older?
that'd be a strong one.
So let's go with 38. 38.
37, 8?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, close. 1933 through 39.
Alright.
So, wait, how many years old is this?
More than I can count.
More than a week.
More than a week.
So this is 20 and this is 30. So if you interpolate that backwards, what do you get?
Oh God, I don't know.
90.
No. Okay.
It's 10 years short of 100. Can't you figure that out?
It's been a long day.
So it's 90-year-old, brand new part.
Wow.
And it looks new. And it still has protective cosmoline on it. So, there you go. Nice part. I was happy when I found that. I have a few other ones too, but it doesn't hurt to have extras.
Never.
At some point, I'm going to put that 35, 45 back together. You know what's going to happen?
You're gonna break one of
It's
those.
going to start breaking trannies again.
Yep.
Because I stroked the motor. It's got a WR top in it. Yeah, not quite stock. It breaks trannies real quick. Among everything else, it breaks everything. When you're taking parts that are made to make 15 and 20 horsepower and you put 30 in there and you drive it hard, they don't last. Alright, there you go. That'd be an RL 45 and WL 37. So there you go. So there you go. 32 to 35, 36 RL, and then 37 to 40 WL. You know just what an RL and WL is?
Not off the top of my head.
Total loss oil system and full circulation oil system.
Got it.
Does that sound like it's important?
Yes.
That means you get 1 quart of oil to 40 miles, or you get full time all the time. Which one sounds better?
Oil all the time.
Well, my bike didn't have that version, so
Oh,
it runs hot
there you go.
because I run fast. All right, there you go. Another good part.